friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the reading mode hidden tips and tricks in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. So in this phone, there is a special features which is available in the reading mode. I didn't see in other smartphones like Redmi K20 Pro and other Redmi phones, but it only found in the Poco X3 device. So in this video, I'll be going in-depth review about this reading mode. What are the options you do have here, and what are the things you need to know before using this one as well. And make sure to check the links in description for in-depth reviews on the Poco X3 device in case if you want to know more details, and even if you want to know how to install this iOS launcher as well. So I'll be doing the full complete setup as well. And right now, as soon as you enable the reading mode, by default the option will be selected to the classic. So this classic option is usually found in every smartphones which has a reading mode. That's nothing special here, but there is something special in the second option, so which is a paper, as you can see here. So if you go to this option, there are 4 different customizable options you can select from. So 4 different options friends. So first option is that texture. So there is a texture option. So if you enable this texture option, the screen will become some kind of paper like feel, maybe close to matte kind of feel. So let me try to bring you close to the camera. So maybe you can find small dots, as you can see here friends. So if you try to decrease, you can see phone is completely plain. You may not be noticing much difference, but actually there is a difference when you are using this kind of texture mode. So we'll get that kind of paper kind of feel as well whenever you read the text using this reading mode. That's another good advantage. For the first time, I am seeing only in the Poco X3 device. So till now, I did use so many other smartphones and so many different operating systems as well, so many different manufactured phones, but still I did not see this option anywhere. So this is the first time I'm seeing in the Poco X3. That's a good thing. Maybe if you want to try this one, first you try this option, then you can try next options. So next 3 options is found in this colors mode, as you can see here. So first is that using the full colors, so which is by default. Next is using the light colors. So all the phone colors will become completely light, as you can see here. So this will kind of save some kind of battery life. Even this won't impact your eyes when you're watching the phone at night time. So this is another thing where you can prevent using this mode as well. So next last option is that using the black and white mode. So this is another interesting feature friends. As you can see, complete phone will become black and white, so which is another good advantage while you are reading ebook reader applications or any other PDF applications, which if you prefer to use this kind of black and white mode, then you can have it. So not only that, any application you open, it will be in black and white mode. Even you can play the games in black and white mode. If you want, you can play the games as well. That's another good advantage as well in the black and white mode. I did a video as well using this black and white mode while playing the PUBG game. So if you want to check that video, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3. So you can find so many interesting videos and tips and tricks similarly like this. As you can see friends, which looks pretty good. Even you can save some kind of battery using this black and white mode. So definitely you can try this kind of feature in your smartphone. So these are the major options which is present in the reading mode in the Poco X3 device. So definitely friends, as soon as you get your mobile phone, try to check this paper mode, so which is quite interesting, having this texture option, having black and white and light colors mode as well. And for more similar kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me regularly for more future updates as well. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.